Samsung has officially revealed its Galaxy Ring Smart Ring at Mobile World Conference 2024. Initially teased during Samsung's Unpacked event in January, the Galaxy Ring is a health and wellness-focused wearable designed to take on competitors like the Oura Ring. The Galaxy Ring will come in multiple sizes ranging from 5 to 12. Sizes 5, 6, and 7 will have a 17 mAh battery, while sizes 8, 9, 10, and 11 will have an 18.5 mAh battery. The size 12 will house a 22.5 mAh battery. The Galaxy Ring will support Bluetooth LE and Bluetooth 5.4. Samsung Find app has revealed a few more details about the ring. It will have a lost mode, which will let you make the ring blink in order to find it. The Galaxy Ring will employ an LED light. Tipster Yogesh Brar reports that the US pricing will be in the $300 to $350 range, while at India it will be around 35,000 Indian rupees. There will be a monthly subscription under $10 to Samsung Health. Fitbit Premium is $10 per month or $80 for a full year. Apple Fitness Plus is the same price. It looks like Samsung wants to secure some recurring revenue with the ring, similar to its competitors. It's launched a new labs section in its app, where it plans to test new features and get user feedback. Perhaps it wants to differentiate itself from Samsung based on these. The ring features a minimalist yet substantial design and will be available in platinum silver, gold, and ceramic black color options. The Galaxy Ring will include a suite of sensors for tracking various health metrics. Galaxy Ring tracks heart rate, breathing rate, sleep, and night movement, and can even detect early signs of sleep apnea. Users can also set specific well-being goals and receive feedback on their progress via booster cards, which will be available in the Samsung Health app. The Samsung Galaxy Ring is now listed in the battery widgets section of the Good Lock app with other Samsung devices. Samsung is expected to launch its Galaxy Z Flip 6, Fold 6, and Galaxy Ring at the next Galaxy Unpacked event in July 10th. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.